He's trying to lock me out of the gym. Needs caffeine. Yo, hold up. So you gotta get it. Just catching some Instagram pics from the whip.
You guys follow me, you guys are gonna see this. It's from this time. Check it out.
What's this dude doing, bruh? Hey, yo, what is going on, y'all? So, as you guys can see from the title, bro, what we're gonna be doing today is painting my wheels from my Integra. Let me just show you guys. So, you know, they have that kind of gold copperish look, and I do like that look. It's not too bad, but just imagine if they were white, it would look a lot cleaner, a lot crispier. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do.
Time for a new change.
Time for a new change, yeah. Give it a little bit of a different look. So this is kind of what it looks like right now before. Boom. But they're gonna be white now.
Yo, so this guy took a L. He ended up running over the filter, and we heard it dragging, and we couldn't find it. And then we looked around, and it was like squished by the wheel, like, bruh.
So next time, don't let him put on your filter, bro.
Bruh,
I'm just kidding. It's so good though. It's so good. At least it survived. It's a little bit crooked, but it's so good.
Open up your eyes and tell me that I'm the only one. Open up your eyes and tell me that I'm the
So this is kind of what it looks like right now. It looks pretty gross. Just because they're dirty. Maybe if they're a little bit cleaner, it wouldn't look too bad. These wheels are really small. I don't think I'm gonna like how it looks.
Yeah, we're looking at it from right now, and it's like,
let me see how it looks.
it's mad small.
These are 15s. These ones are on the EK. I'm putting these on just in case my wheels don't dry in time, because I think they take like 24 hours to cure. But
Yes, sir. So we're just gonna leave these drying while he's gonna be running these 15.
I think it rubs, dude.
It rubs?
The tires are kind of fat.
Yo.
They're spaced out, huh?
Yeah. It's because it's I think these are 15 by 8, and yours are 15 by 16 by 7, huh?
Yeah. So
It's one more inch out.
Yeah, the tires are gonna rub nasty.
So what, bro? It'll rub out.
They don't look too bad, but I don't like them.
It's just temporary.
So things we're using is plasti dip. So white plasti dip. I have 4 cans, 1 for each wheel, and then that is not gonna hold. So what you need to give it that gloss, that sort of finished look. This is 2K clear coat. This is the type of clear coat that goes on cars, like automotive clear coat. So I saw a video of some guy who did it. He put plasti dip on his wheels, and then he went ahead and put 2K clear coat on it, and it gave it such a good finish. And I think that is gonna hold up, you know, because wheels and tires, they go through the weather. But that should give it the protection it needs for the plasti dip to sit good. So let me just stop yapping and let's just get straight to it.
Actually, dude has some crystal wheels that need to be shined up.
So yeah, we're just gonna add a little
corners. I don't know if
sandpaper.
he did it.
It's kind of smooth. No, they're
I
like
don't know
that.
if he cut actually or someone buy like that. But
No,
you gotta start your morning off with Diet Coke.
So I actually found these wheels at the junk. So they're kind of secondhand wheels. So they're a little bit of abused, which is why I'm painting them white. Some people are like, oh, why are you painting your wheels white? These are some junkyard wheels that I just found. So I think if I sort of sand them down, make them look good, paint them white, it'll kind of give it life from something that was already gonna die, if that makes sense.
Yep.
So,
Yeah, because right here's all rough.
if you guys are hating on painting wheels, You're lame.
I'm a hater too, but
It's alright. These are junk wheels. These are junk wheels. It's not like I paid like $1,500 for these wheels. So, my hands are filthy. Should have worn gloves. Let's get it.
guys, so homie's just masking off the wheels.
Cause you know you don't want to get the tires painted either.
We're gonna start off 2 each. We're gonna do 1 ourselves, and then after that, we're just gonna do the other 2. So yeah, check that out.
All right, no going back now, boys.
Do the rim first.
Let's do him. No going back now.
Too late to go back.
Oh, why am I nervous? I know, but I feel nervous. It's gonna look so sick, dude. So sick. You guys need to stay tuned for this.
All right, y'all, check it out. You can still see some gold on the inside.
Yeah, no.
So yeah, this is the before. Check that out. All crusty. And this is the after. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. It comes with this little red top. I don't know what the hell it is. It comes down here. It goes in there perfectly. You see it? And you just
Press it.
you just press it.
And put it on the floor. Push it down on it.
Wait, this is for more leverage. There you go.
That basically just get all the extra liquid that's down there.
Yep. It
Mix
makes
it
the
up.
chemicals react with whatever's in
You
it.
gotta shake it for 30 seconds.
1 eternity later.
All right, guys, so we're going to hit the first layer of the clear coat. Wish us luck. This is gonna make the wheel from going dull and sort of
It's
matte
gonna make it stand out.
to nice, shiny, glossy sort of look. All right, so here's the dull, sort of matte looking wheel. And now this guy's gonna hit it with the clear coat. And let's see how it transforms it, dude. Let's get straight to it, bro. Let's go. What you guys do is make sure you're ventilating. You're not like this guy eating all the fumes.
Bro, I eat these for a living.
All right, guys, so with the 2K clear coat, check it out. Boom. They look so, so good. They look so, 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 so good. Check this out, dude. They look so good, bro.
Show you guys what we did is just 1 can of each, literally almost everything.
What we used is 2 cans of Plasti Dip and 1 can. It's not even done yet, huh?
Nope. Still more
1 can of 2K clear coat, and it basically did the whole thing.
This literally got us like what, 3 coats each.
So I essentially had bought in, like I said, 4 Plasti Dips and 2 clear coats, but we still have 1 clear coat right here and like 2 Plasti Dips over there, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna use it to paint my wheels.
And it's already done. So you know what we gotta do next, right?
Reveal it.
We gotta take off the masking. So we're gonna take off the masking of the first one that we did and see how it looks.
No, it's coming out smooth.
Help you out. Yo, bro, it looks so good, bro. Dude, it's a little bit of tape on there. I don't want to take that off, though. I want to put it on the outside, let it dry.
Yeah.
Dude, they look so, so good. Yo, they look fire. I'm not going to take out the little valve stem yet.
Not yet.
Still let it dry completely. Dude, they look so, so good, bro. Yo, they look sick. Yo, they look sick, bro. Look at this. Boom. So, now we're going to take it off of all the tires and let them dry, bro.
All right, guys, so we're about to drop it. First look, first impression, with all 4 on there. Yo!
How's it look?
It's sick, bro. Look at that.
Dude. Yo, it looks so good, bro. Yo.
Your tire's kind of low on air.
I know, I gotta pump some more air in it. Dude. This completely changed the look of it. Oh my God. This looks so good. You think it looks better than the Golf?
Yeah, way better.
You think so?
Check that out, bro. Ooh, I like both of them.
Damn.
But this one looks way cleaner.
Bruh.
Let me try it out right with.
Yo. Boom. Fire, bruh. All right, dude. So if you guys see, there are the wheels right there, bro. It looks so good. This was relatively cheap. I probably wasted like 50 bucks, but $50 can get you these results. Again, I don't know exactly how they're gonna hold up, so I'll let you guys know how they hold up, but they're so easy to paint, pretty quick, pretty cheap. And like I said, these are junkyard wheels, so if they get messed up, I don't really care. But check it. Boom.